Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best TRX mining website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your email address, enter your login password, set your security password, this is the invitation code, and after filling all the details click on sign up. So wait, let me sign up. After signing into a website, here you can see this type of interface. Welcome to the profession and all about this. After scrolling down here you can see 800 TRX. Here you can see deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app and lower section. This is the wallet and promotion. This is the drawn to tron million. This is the platform accumulated data and membership. And we are at the best cloud mining offered a potential cost effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, this is the company's global partner WazirX, CoinDCX, Janus Mining, CoinMint, Bitmain, Binance. After that I click on trading section. Here you can see 5% cloud mining trading. So this is the best part of that. I click on this. Here you can see VIP 1 2 3 5 6 7. Here you can see this is the deposit quantity, this is the income and daily withdrawal VIP level 1. So this is the best part of that. So you can invest accordingly. This is the sharing section, refer and earn. If one of your friend or family register with your link, you will earn some reward. So start sharing today and earning today. So this is the best part of that. And copy, share with your friends or family and earn money. This is the mine section. Here you can see the deposit and withdrawal. Here you can see the SSC whites, and this is the deposit and withdrawal. Here you can see team, finance record, transfer to basic. I click on team. Here you can see level 1, level 2, level 3 teams. So this is the best part of that. After that, here you can see finance record, all income and gains here. After that, here you can see you can transfer basic account into promotion account. You can also share and modify password. Now I will tell you how to deposit. I click on deposit. Here you can see the address, so I copy the address. So wait. After that I click on tron. I click on send. Here I fill the address and here I fill the amount. I click on continue. So it takes 5 to 10 seconds to complete the payment. So wait for the payment completion. Within 5 to 10 seconds my transaction will be completed. So wait. So here you can see my transaction is completed. Now I go back to website back. After that I click on recharge completed. So this is the best part of that. I click on the recharge completed, submitted, success. Within 5 to 10 seconds your balance will be updated. So wait. So here you can see guys, my balance is updated. I will show you the finance record. Here you can see it's loading 28 TRX deposit. Now I will show you how to withdraw. I click on withdrawal. After clicking on withdrawal, here you can see account. Here is the withdrawal limit. I click on 0.78 limit. Here I enter the password and here I enter the security password and click on confirm. Here after clicking on confirm I go to the Telegram group. So wait. After that here you can enter this and click I want withdrawal. So you can click. So wait. So here you can see that it's a message, have application verification is successful, please reapply for withdrawal, thank you for consultant. So I again enter the address. So wait, here I enter, I click on confirm. Here you can see 0.27 is a finance record is department. So I click on finance record. Here you can see 0.78. So I explain all in details. Here is the mining, sharing, you can invest accordingly. This is the trading and home section. So you can also download app. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.